Hi guys, so today we're going through some 20-cent coins, get some more coin roll hunting done. If you've missed the series so far, we've gone through some dollars. What else have we gone through? Some $2 coins, some 50-cent coins, and now it's time to go through some 20-cent coins. So usually when I go to the bank, I try to get a fair few 20-cent coins and $1 coins. That's where I sort of find, if we're going to find something good, it's going to be in one of those two that can give us a good return rate. So obviously with the 20-cent coins, we're looking for the 1966 wavy would be the best one to find. But there's lots of other coins to find and keep in the 20-cent range. So yeah, we'll see how we go today. So we aim to go through at least 5 rolls here today. So we'll see if we can find something that is certainly worth more than 20 cents. So at the moment we haven't found anything worth keeping. These guys here, this is not the best condition, but I do like the design, and I do keep some, and occasionally I'd sell a few. They certainly can get a few dollars each for them. This one is starting to show a bit of wear, so it's not in the best of condition, but I think I'll put it aside as one we might hold on to for later on, and see if we find any others. But yeah, we'll see how we go. This one's not a bad one either. These can sell for a few more dollars as well. The Don Bradman's a 2001 20-cent coin. There we go. So obviously Don Bradman was a cricketer, and we've a fairly low mintage coin as a commemorative, but I'll put that one aside because it's not in bad condition. Alright, 67, 1980. It's a dirty looking coin. Oops. Alright. So you just make sure you spin every single coin. You never know what you're going to find. This has got some damage on it. Certainly has happened after the minting process, not during. So I won't be keeping that. But you're looking for little things that are out of the ordinary, and certainly worth asking questions if you find something that you can't explain yourself. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions relating to any of these coins that we're looking at today, or please leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to try and answer them if I can. If not, we'll try and find the answer from someone else more knowledgeable. But yeah, anyway, we'll keep going through these and see what we can find today. '81, so there's a 2013, there's a 2016. So you just got to keep looking. You never know what you're going to find, and that's part of the hunt for me. That's part of the fun. That's what I really love doing, is just finding something that's unusual that others haven't found before. That's what I really enjoy, and the best thing about it is it's for free. This doesn't cost anything other than time, and if you enjoy it and love it, and love looking at designs and what's going on with these coins and the history behind them, all the different commemorative coins, there's so much to learn and to know and to discover about the people that are on our coins. So yeah, if you can get your children involved, it's a great little hobby, and it's certainly kept me entertained for a number of years. So, and people are always keen to know more, so I like to share. But yeah, please, if you need to know anything, certainly not the know-it-all, but through the time that I've spent. I've learnt from others, and I know what to look for and what to keep. And if I can help you with your coin collecting, please let me know. Leave a comment. I'm not finding too much right now. We've gone through 3. There's a 2017, so a relatively new coin. Find truckloads of them, so I don't bother keeping them. Even though the mintage isn't out yet on that particular coin, I've got a feeling it's going to be pretty high. So you really want to look for low mintage coins. They're the ones you want to keep that are going to go up in value over the years. Alright, next roll. So, I'm not sure if I said, but there's $4 worth of coins in each of these rolls. And they're all circulated coins. And you can check out one of my other videos where I'll show you how I get the coins. There are other ways of getting coins, but this is how I get coins, is by going to the bank and feeding my notes into it, and we end up with some coins to take home. And then we can return them again, which is the good part. And I don't have to count each and every coin or bag them up anymore, because I've got machines that can just count all the coins for us. So make sure you check out those videos along with the other videos, and I think the next video will probably go through some 10-cent coins, and I think my last video will be on the 5-cent coins. So we'll keep going through these and see if there's anything else special to find. No, we're not having much luck today. There we go. Sometimes a bit hard to open up these rolls, but there we go. Occasionally when you go to the bank to get rolls of circulated coins, you get lucky and you find rolls of uncirculated coins, which is great. And I usually put those ones aside as rolls, because they're certainly worth more as a roll than what they are as individual coins. And you never know what the mintage is going to be, so you might stumble across some rolls of coins that may be worth a lot more in the future if they haven't made many of them. So we are getting to the end of this one. We haven't found any of the state coins, which I do struggle to find them in the 20-cent coins. I find them easier in the 50-cent rolls, but yeah, the state coins. Let's go through one more roll. I didn't really find much, but that's part of the game. No, 81, 2014, 2008. Nope. Here's a 66, but no wavy there, just a straight line. So this is the 66. There we go. And yeah, it would have a wavy line just above my fingernail there. If it had a wave there, that would be something special, and you'd certainly hear me celebrating. But not today, nothing special there. So we'll keep hunting. Alright. Getting a few of the older ones, but there's another 66, and there's always the hope that when you turn it over it's going to be a wavy, but let's see what happens with this one. Nope, not a wavy. Nice straight line there again. So unfortunately, back to the bank. And 2006 and 1980, 2001, 2008, and 1998, and 1976. Well, no guys, nothing super special found there, and I'll keep looking and keep hunting, but for now I'll keep these two commemoratives. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video, and keep an eye out for the next video in the next day or so. Thanks for watching guys, bye.